What is up, YouTube? I hope everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to be doing my first ever official motovlog after trying I don't even know how many times, but please drop a thumbs up on this video and tell me what you guys want to see. Today I'm on my 2018 Ducati V4S and we're going to be taking it around and I'm going to be spin my motovlogging story. So overall, I've actually been using this to heal my brain damage as far as my overall norepinephrine, and I can't even say, I'll say noradrenaline, okay? Everyone's like, you can't even say norepinephrine. It's like, no, I really can. And I got a Pittsburghese accent and I don't really, I can't pronounce it straight up. But yeah, my norepinephrine level was really low, so what better way to get it high again than to ride the Ducati. So this Ducati is a 2018 V4S, full Akrapovic titanium exhaust. As far as the engine tune, it just has an Akrapovic tune on it. I do not have a Sprint air filter, I don't have any of that yet, and I'm looking forward to continue building this bike. I'm going to keep this bike for a while. This was like my dream bike when I was older. My dream bike as a kid, which I will showcase next motovlog, is my S1000RR. It's kind of beat up, got too many seasons on it. I got to get her serviced. This is fresh out the shop, and overall I'm really enjoying it. But yeah, this is the first day I got in race mode. I was riding it like a pussy in sport mode, and I really couldn't like get on it that much, it was just listen to that fucking exhaust. My God. Nutty sounding exhaust. I cannot wait to straight pipe it further. I can't talk. The adrenaline. Woo. But yeah, basically that's how I'm recovering my adrenaline level for sure. We coming to a stop? Jeez, oh man. It was still blinking yellow. I thought I was gonna get creamed. Trust me, I ain't trying to eat that. I would have stopped, but jeez. Basically, it's been rough with this brain injury. And for those who are like, I just found this Ducati video, what the fuck are you talking about your brain injury? So for everyone new here, I'm a biohacker and I have a biohacking channel. You can just search my name. Oh, this is a cop. Oh boy. First day back on the saddle and fucking race mode. All the seasoned riders and everything, my lines are not going to be good. My throttle control, I'm still, getting the claw throttle back, getting that comfortability back in the finesse of the controls. So it's going to be a bit of a learning curve as far as, me getting back on track. Like I said, probably going to title this video my first ride in sport mode for this season. Again, sport mode, or not sport mode, race mode, dumbass. Remember, I'm a little bit delusional after the fucking shroom incident, This bike has helped me a lot feel back to normal. Like when I first got on the bike, my noradrenaline level in my body, the neurotransmitter level, was so low that I was like, it's like I'd never ridden before. I was fucking terrified to get on the saddle. It was just one of those weird, crazy experiences of like, oh, I've ridden a S1000RR since I was 19, and what, now I can't get on my Ducati? Like, yeah, this is a scary bike, but I've ridden leader bikes my entire career. Yeah, I can't find that throttle point. I do need a throttle spacer or some shit. It's really fucking annoying. Just my lean angles are trash, so please don't judge this ride as like, oh my god, this guy can't ride. Trust me, I feel it with you guys that I need to get my Twitch reactions back. Just like, it's like ride within your limits. My limit is not that high yet, so just gotta be extra careful on extending it. Still a little bit too tight on the controls. I need to be more loosey-goosey, more relaxed, but I already trained my groin. Oh my god, is there no light here? What the fuck is this shit? I already trained my groin, so my groin is feeling good as far as gripping the tank. So yeah, I can't find this throttle after I switched it out of sport mode. Looks like I don't even know how to engage the clutch, and I have new levers. I had a lot of issues with this bike last season, so it's like my first season where I'm actually gonna try and ride this bitch. There we go. Found the bite point that time. Found the throttle point that time. I don't know why this brand new Duke needs a fucking throttle spacer. Like, sure, I'm a little bit too grip happy on the throttle right now and not relaxed, but I mean, I'm calming down into it as we're going along, and there's still a dead part of that throttle that needs fixed. And I had to get the master cylinders done. Oh, it sounds so fucking good though. Little bit of quick. Me's a dog. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Definitely one of those bikes that if you put it in the mode it's supposed to be in, it's supposed to not gonna let me move over. This will rip your head off. Like, very unforgiving bike to ride if you're riding in race mode. But it's a lot of hoops you gotta jump through to fucking get it to race mode. It's not like you can just hop into race mode. You have to take it back to Ducati and Oh, you bought a super bike and you want full power? Well, you gotta get a race ECU. Well, how much is a race ECU? I don't know. You bought the Ducati. We have you buy the nutsack. And it's like, alright. I need the full power here. And then this isn't even full power because I can get a Bren tune on it and I don't know how to describe that noise in person. It probably sounds pretty shitty on this mic. Well, it sounds good, but like nothing like how it's supposed to fucking sound. I hate people like, Ducati sound like shit. It's like you haven't heard one in person. You wouldn't be saying that. It's staccato. Staccato. The note is staccato. Uh-oh. Got random braking. Bike does not like to go fucking slow either, especially in race mode. It overheats in the summer and shit. I heard they fixed that with the new wide bodies, the narrow body, and the exhaust gets hot as fuck, but it is what it is. I'll have to have a competition what you guys think sounds better. This Ducati. Bit of flame pop on that one. This Ducati or my Beamer. Me personally, the Beamer, like this sounds amazing. This sounds like pretty much like a fucking GP bike, so it's really hard to be like, oh, this doesn't sound that good. But like, you know, I think the BMW with the full inconel exhaust sounds like a fucking Formula 1 car, especially flat out. And this bike's got so much power, it's hard to really take the 14.5. I don't even think I took it up there, sadly, on this highway pull. But yeah, this is my first moto vlog. I really wanted to practice, you know, maintaining a storyline, and it's pretty much what I've been doing, right? Noradrenaline transmitter level of my neurochemistry is fucked. Have to recover it. How have I been recovering it? By causing giant adrenaline dumps from riding this thing. You know, nothing really compares to when you're flat out like I was, you know, experiencing the G-forces and the bike screaming, and, you know, overall, each time I got off the bike, I felt way more like myself. I don't know if you guys have ever lost your personality before, but it's not fun. Like I've done shrooms and LSD and analogs of DMT, but this lion's mane experiment that went wrong, and I'll link the video like up there so you guys can see how bad my personality was a couple, like 13 days ago. It's been like 15 days since the incident. I have like the Homer Simpson like days since incident, because it's just been such an uphill battle to recover myself. And I'm a high output entrepreneur. I really can't take a break. No one can do my job. I have multiple employees. I'm involved in multiple businesses, and it's just a lot of pressure on me, and I need a big fat fucking ego, and I need a big fat drive to continue to conquer it all at the same time. Take that away from me and everything's falling apart, but here I am filming my first moto vlog. Like I said, I just got knocked off the horse, had to brush myself off, and we're back at it. But I hope you guys don't judge my riding too bad. I know it wasn't that good. My form's not that good right now. Even like my throttle hand, my overall front brake positioning, like, I don't know about what I think about this Brembo lever, to be honest. I'm just so used to my S1000 that it's just hard for me to really get comfortable. Like the lean angle of this bike is so much more insane, because the V4 versus I think the S1000 is an inline 4. Like the S1000 I can drag knee, this one I really can't, to be honest, and it's just a whole different way to ride and counter steer, and it's gonna take me a while, but I appreciate everyone who stuck with me through my first moto vlog. I wanted to rip it up this hill, but of course you know how that goes. It's always traffic or some bullshit like there is right now. But yeah, I appreciate everyone who checked it out. I definitely am gonna do this. Like, the bodybuilding channel's cool. It helps a lot of people, thousands of people around the world each day. You know, reach out to me on all my social medias about my information. But I also like to have fun, and I really wasn't having fun in my early 20s because I was hustling like a motherfucker. And I said, well, once I can get the car channel going and the bike channel, this will be my fun. And I'll still be doing something constructive, which I'm still making content, I'm still engaging with you guys, still getting exposure, and it overall teaches me to present in a motovlog fashion. Like, this is a whole lot different to be blitzing. Oh, she doesn't give a fuck about this thing. It teaches you a whole, you know, different style of presenting when you're on the saddle. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video.